everybody! I'm here today to tell you how to check if a car is under warranty. This will be a simple tutorial, so let's get right into the video. If you just got a new car or a used car, or if you've had your car for a while and you just want to realize or know or understand if it's under warranty, this is the video for you. Unfortunately, there's not one central database that will tell you if any car on this earth is under warranty. So you're gonna have to do a little bit of research, but it's totally cool. It's not that hard to do. The first step is check for the VIN number of the car. There are many locations, tons actually, on the car where you will find the VIN number, which is, I believe, the vehicle identification number. It's a number that is specific for your vehicle and your vehicle only. One of the main places that you can find it is on your dashboard towards the windshield. In most cars, if you look through the front windshield on the dashboard, you're probably going to find the VIN number there. But there's many other locations. Just check around. You're going to find it in multiple locations. It's going to be likely engraved on many parts of the car. So locate your VIN number. It's also likely going to be on your vehicle's registration, depending on where you live. So check your registration if you can't actually find it on the car. Okay, so get your VIN number, write it down, or have it handy, okay? Then you want to call the dealership of the make of the car. So this is a Honda. I'm driving a Honda CR-V. This is mine and my wife's main vehicle that we drive. We have another one, but this is the main one that we drive most of the time because it's an SUV for the kids and so forth. But basically, I would call Honda and I would have my VIN number ready and I would ask them to speak with the service department, because that's usually who deals with the warranty. Because if you need something replaced on your car and it's under warranty, it goes through the service department. So once you get through to the service department, you're going to tell them your VIN number and you're going to say, can you please check if it's still under warranty? Okay, now it can get a little bit tricky if you bought your car from a used car dealership, specifically like a private car dealership, instead of a main make or manufacturer. So if I didn't buy this car from Honda, which I did, but if I didn't buy from Honda and I bought it from blah 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 auto sales down the street, then I would have to contact the blah 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 auto sales to find out if it's under warranty. And let's say you bought it from a person. So you bought this vehicle from a person instead, and you don't know where they bought it from. Then it gets a little bit more tricky. It's another layer of difficulty. You're gonna have to basically do some research into the history of the sales of the car. So you can find out, basically the facts of the car, the previous owners and so forth. So find out which was the last dealership to own that vehicle. And then when you find out what the last dealership was, then you can call them up, say, here's the VIN number, is it still under warranty? Also, you want to look in the glove box and look for any paperwork that might be related to the warranty, because maybe the old owner, or maybe you yourself, still has the paperwork in the glove box that has the warranty information, okay? So that's how you find out if your car is still under warranty. Like I said, there's not one central database that you can go and look up whether or not the car is under warranty. You're gonna have to do a little bit of research, but it's not that difficult. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.